Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into something super simple yet incredibly useful: how to rename your Bluetooth name on an Android device in 2025. Whether you're trying to personalize your device, avoid confusion with multiple gadgets, or just make your Bluetooth setup more unique, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version, probably Android 15 or higher by now, to ensure everything runs smoothly. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. You know, that gear icon that's always there to help you tweak your device's settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Connected Devices, or Bluetooth and Devices. This section might vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer, like Samsung, Google, or OnePlus, but it's usually easy to find. If Bluetooth isn't already on, go ahead and toggle it on so you can see your device's current name. Now, look for an option that says Device Name or Bluetooth Name. Tap on that, and you'll see a text field with your current Bluetooth name displayed. This is where the fun begins. Just type in your new, awesome name. Keep it short and memorable, like My Cool Phone 2025, to make it easy for other devices to recognize. After you've entered your new name, hit the Save or OK button. Your device might take a second to apply the changes, so give it a moment. To verify, go back to the Bluetooth settings and check if the name has updated. If you're pairing with another device, try reconnecting to see it in action. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the name not saving, double-check your permissions in the app settings or restart your device. It's a rare problem, but restarting often fixes it. And there you have it. That's all it takes to give your Bluetooth a fresh identity. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below with your new Bluetooth name. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.